You mean to tell me that AI can come up with a better recipe than me? Chicken and waffle cone? Ha! We're going to find out.
Look at this egg massacre. It's not chopping, it's demolition. What did those eggs ever do to you, mate? At least use the knife like it's part of your hand, not like you're trying to scare it. Oh, brilliant. Now we're skinning potatoes like it's amateur hour at the prep table. You're not carving a turkey. Right, now we're dicing potatoes like we've just discovered what a knife is. Then it's a quick rinse, like that's gonna wash away blandness. And straight into the pot with no seasoning. You trying to make soup or sadness? Salt the water for crying out loud. Oh, look at this, blue plate mayonnaise. Now that's a proper southern choice. You can't go wrong starting there. And there's the first scoop of mayo. Hang on, is that it? That's barely enough to butter a biscuit. Oh, now he's in the pickle relish. Alright, tangy kick, I see you. Wait, what's this? Another one? Sweet pickle relish? 2 relishes? This has got to be his wife's recipe. You know what? It actually might work. I don't know whether to be impressed or scared. Tender, trimmed, ready to go. Finally, a decision that doesn't make me lose sleep. Buttermilk going in, classic. Now, where's the hot sauce? I know he poured some, but come on. Blink and you'll miss it. Was that a splash or a whisper? This is fried chicken, not milk toast. Flour, cornstarch, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, decent start. But come on, you're the chef. That Cajun blend's barely waking up, needs more punch. Still, not bad. It might just work. Tongs, huh? Keeping it classy. Don't want to mess up those delicate hands, but listen to that sizzle music to my ears. If that crust delivers, we might just be onto something. Wait, what the hell? Did the chicken jump onto the rack by itself? Look at that color. Golden, crispy perfection. That skin's got more crunch than a bag of kettle chips. I'd frame one and hang it in my kitchen. Alright, cone in hand, and he sticks the chicken in first. Bold move. Then the potato salad, backwards layering, but alright, chef. Bit of paprika like it's a 5-star garnish. He's treating this like fine dining in a waffle cone. Oh, here we go. Hot honey drizzle. Look at that glisten. That chicken's shining like it just won a beauty pageant. But where is he? Move over, chef. Let the people see the star of the show. I'm not here to admire your elbow. I can't believe I'm saying this, but it actually looks brilliant. Southern madness in a cone, and it bloody works. And now, here comes the bite. Look at that smile. Thumbs up like he just won the state fair.
Okay, I gotta admit, it's pretty darn good. Now, if it had been me, I would have added more seasoning, but I went by his recipe. And then he wanted to critique me. What the heck?